Okay, kadagiti kadua mangkat kadua kata kami hinggat tang oras po. Once again, thank you very much po ating share. Kasi Ace, kung nadanaga na dati nga tunay ko.
Uy, nalipatak mo ito.
Ating share. Anyway, good afternoon Marites Fronda, Dorigo Marquez, I love you too. Din ko JM ko na. Tell me that you love me too.
Wow, how do you feel? Nice, Amak, I love it.
I will feel so great. Wow. And Kuya, Adda malagip ko man dito nga sonata kipirap, ang galing-galing talaga. And Gigi Ventura, hello watching from Hong Kong. And Vivid Arellano, this watching at the Adina Vizcaya. Well, welcome to our KARRUBA.
Alpasagitan.
Ayan, so far wala nang messages. Nabasa min na po dagiti messages yo. Dagiti comments yo. Kaya dito balbalay na apo nga manarimaan nga agsusuyaab ng banggal daw yo. Kat matama kayo nga dumdumag dito programa may na poluan na Adda kami manan dito lang po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Ayan. Adda nga tadi kung dito lyrics na?
Wala.
So baka da kayo mga kansyonan balong?
Ada ba yung request natin? Perfect ka no? Request na kumahan mga idol sa sagot ko. Iti birthday, February 15. Tayo sa nata nga perfect.
Greetings coming from?
Ate Marites Fronda. Marquez.
Apa yung ada perfect iti ko ana? Apa yung ada ti probinsyanong dukha? Ngarod, para king kaading nga nag-request iti perfect. Sabi ko matama perfect mo balong.
Ang garod. I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you all this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found the love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand. Be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in the dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Oh no, no. Baby, I dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
It was a piece from
Ed Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. May sa kadagiti kalaingan na itatanga ka nito ang panawan apo nga papumutak ti sonata. Kaya napanan ni bagat na panagpa-change oil. Ano kuma, kumbaga na panagpa-dialysis itilugan. No, apay mo't apo ta nakadado tatati cases iti pagpa-dialysis. Ano? Kita ang tuntupay lugan masabol ipa-dialysis agad ang tukod laki taon, di ba? Kita napay nga tadi kansunan tayo tataw.
Ay, kanta ma. All is but good is.
Yes, of course. Iso nga 4 decade duo kami KARRUBA. Sagat nakakonsentrate ak ti old songs. Iso namat kadagiti kaparwan. So from the 70s, 80s, 90s up to the present. So 4 decade of love songs. Of songs of love and life, I should say. So iso nga naawagan kami nga 4 decade duo. Matudugmutan dali mampas kami mo ti upat nga dekadan.
Nalas-stress gaya man.
Oh.
Well,
yeah, but the time is
41
minutes and dapat kakwada ita at least 50 minutes. So basit lang yun nga kung naman natin tayo pa nagkakadwa kahit sabi lang kung maapot maliglingay kalata kada kami kahit dagiti man ti sarunong nga sunata po kadagiti
ay kano favorite ni Kuya Lito ng Lito
Palakay.
Well,
who's requesting?
Nanay Venus, Phoebe.
Okay. So here's something from kadaanan, kaputa kadaanan po And this one goes out to Kuyang Lito, to Manang Eileen Flora, to ating Venus,
Ate Esther,
Manang Esther, Manang Eileen, ating Micaela,
Zulweta Flora, ni Lina Ballesteros,
Ballesteros,
ni Anting Jonalyn Talbo Garcia.
Of course, when gaya makipaglatingit kami ading Jonalyn, iti nabit pa yung ipupusay ni father mo. Sabi ko agtalnan di panunod mo. Yan. So, daytoy sunata, daytoy kata. Ipay kada tayo, nga sapay lang kumang nga uray no dati luwasi tayo, adal tatimang tartarabe kada tayo nga kagayang tayo. Nga kunan na dito ay dumtengag no before nga agtedted iti sumarunong nga luwasit mo. I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Or teardrops fall. Pero iti mas gusto get before the next teardrop falls. Muna na di drop falls.
Okay.
Kadaanan. If it brings you happiness, then I wish you both the best. It's your happiness that matters most of all. But if it ever breaks your heart, if the teardrops ever start, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Si quiere de verdad y te da felicidad, te deseo lo más bueno para los dos. Pero si ya se logra, a mí me puedes hablar y estaré contigo cuando triste estás. I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to drive away every teardrops that you've cried. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Ako sinupay nga tayo tato tinasaktan lang aro din kung may pala sumaranay kalpasan na iti amin, diba? Medyo ansa nga uso tatang ano sinaktan ta ka sumaranay ka pala no masaktan mo da tao. Amo nga tangay bag na gunggunam, diba? I'll be there anytime you need me, by your side to drive away every teardrops that you've cried. And if he ever leaves you blue, just remember I love you, and I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. And I'll be there before the next teardrop falls. Basta ang order na kita mauding nga mensahes balong bago ta kumakada kadawada.
All this the goodies, Jengarod account on you. From Ati Winnie Miles. Nice combination mga idol, agbiag, FDD duo. From Ati Marites. Paregues Manong Sundo from Kuwait. Ano naman? More power to FDD po from Ati Rochelle. Naganan. Naalala ko father ko, idol favorite song niya kasi yan. Manong June, nagpintas lahat at dangdangan nagiti old songs. Siyempre, all these but goodies. See you again in Sunday, mga idol. Thanks.
Yes, as we are waving now.
Only you man ako, KARRUBA. From Joanna, Dadinir, ay Trinidad. Baliktad tumot. FDD the best talaga from John Edison Hidalgo. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So we are giving now our set of songs na talatan ata siyempre duwape ti kantaan ta. Uno na ito dito Count on You as requested by Ading Micaela. And this has been your Manong Jun Serial together with John Mark Pastor. Apo, at anto man na next week.
DJ Tumismo na radyo.
DJ to radyo kami ito next week. At this moment, kung nakon ulit manan, adda kami apo iti sa bali nga lugar. So dahil na po, di sonata para kanyayo.
Thank you. Kadwayo kata kami. Tilas po titalong oras.
like the world's corner, and I need you so bad, but I don't know where you are. I cry these tears on our own. We've been so far, we've sworn at the moon, and we've counted 1,000,000 stars. My love, still true. Friends have come and gone, some have left me alone, but I stared at these walls before, and they made me blue. All alone, in my heart I've known there's one thing in my life that still rings true. I can count on you, count on you to be there. No questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. If I had to choose one place to spend the rest of my days, anywhere would do, long as it's close to you. Oh, oh. Atur toro kak. Count on you to be there, no questions in the air, no asking why or when, no looking back. Count on you every time to ease my worried mind, and you'll forever be important to me, my miracle find. Now, oh now, I've traveled so far, yet I'm right back where you are. Just me and you. Now and forevermore, as the years roll by, I'm beginning to see that I can dagsangga sa tabutan ay busahan ti oras. Isong nga dagitay hamingan na kanta nga sunata. Ito no next time tulatan apo. So thank you very much once again. This has been your Manong Jun Sarias together with
John Mark Pastor, operator.
Dito lang po 97.7 Sweet Radio Santiago City. Nagsamit. Sumaron na po iti programa na poluan. Top 20 Countdown with DJ Sam and
DJ Hams,
okay.
DJ Bay.
Goodbye and God bless everyone.
Bye-bye.